Day 45, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. Check this out. I received a new reward of $19. What I'm doing is that I'm promoting other people's products, and when someone buys through my links, I can earn money online. Now, let me show you the strategy I'm using to make commissions online. Check this out. I'm driving traffic to this page, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And it has information here and a picture. And when people click this button, this pop-up is going to appear and I can collect a name and an email address. Once I have that information, a software is going to send emails automatically. If I click on automation, the people who subscribe to my email list are going to receive these emails. And inside of the emails, I have valuable information, and in some emails, I put my affiliate links. And if someone buys through my links, I can earn a commission. And one of the most important things to succeed with affiliate marketing is to collect emails every day. And there are 2 types of traffic sources: paid traffic sources and free traffic sources. And it's important to know that affiliate marketing requires time, effort, and persistence. Now, let me show you a cool strategy I'm using to drive traffic to my affiliate links. Check this out. I bought this high-ticket program. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and it has 4 modules, the 4 phases to freedom, building an automated sales system, and many more things here. I studied all the training and I wrote an article talking about this Freedom Accelerator program. This is my WordPress site, and I wrote here the Freedom Accelerator review. And I have all the information of this training. And I optimized the article for this keyword, Freedom Accelerator review. And when people write this keyword on Google, they are going to find my article here. As you can see, guys, this requires work and persistence. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.